Okay, just make it quick. This app development agency I hired is driving me insane. They keep delaying my development and we are already behind schedule. It's like waiting for a snail to finish a marathon. You too? I too am dealing with a similar situation. The app development agency I hired to develop my app keeps demanding me more and more money. It's bleeding my wallet dry. And moreover, it's been a year since I gave them my app development project. Hi guys! What's got you looking so gloomy? Need an app for businesses? Why do you ask? Do you have any experience with app development? Oh, you bet. In fact, I recently got an app developed for my business. And it was a smooth sail, you guys. Really? How did you manage that? I am stuck in a never-ending financial vortex with my app development agency. Well, I went to the magical realm of Blup. They created my app in a jiffy and didn't cost me an arm and a leg. Blup? I have never heard of them. Are they some sort of an app wizards? And how about the quality? Because I have heard some horror stories about apps that crash and burns. Worry not, you guys. Blup is the name you should trust. They delivered a top-notch app that worked like a charm. No crashes, no bugs, just pure awesomeness. Sounds too good to be true. What makes Blup so different from our current app development agencies? For starters, they have a team of highly skilled developers who are like super efficient. They are like the Avengers of app creation, assembling, delivering, all with lightning speed. Avengers, huh? Do they also have a Tony Stark among them? Maybe. Who knows? What I do know is Blup's pricing is fair and reasonable. Now no more breaking the bank for a simple app. That sounds tempting. But how can we be so sure that they won't disappoint us like our current agencies? Oh, they won't, you guys. Blup is known for their strong communication and excellent customer service. They keep you in the loop at every stage, ensuring your vision becomes reality. Okay, you've convinced us. I think we'll give Blup a shot. Right? I think so. But how do we get in touch with them? I have their contact details right here with me. You give them a call, or you can also connect with them on their social media, or you can also visit their website blup.in/services for more information. You too check it out.